Right, with enduro wheels quality. So we're gonna do a bit of the easy lap, show you what it's all about. First you go around, we've done like a cycling lap. Yeah, first we done like a cycling lap. And now the first run now on the easy trail. So give you a good look at this first trail. So jump there, jump there. Nice. There's a few good deep puddles around here. But pretty good really. Pretty good track. So, two puddles there. Ain't jumping out, that's straight into a fucking puddle. Sharp left, yeah. Coming up. I fucking done my back last thing into a brick, so back is still a bit bad. Don't want to be coming off today. Ah, like that, here's my back. Got a nice bit of a hill here, so coming on a long jump. I'll get him. Can't even just put the hammer down yet because I don't know where the fuck I'm going or what's coming up. Bit of a forestry section, yeah? Deep downhill. Really old bumpy road. Oh shit! Oh shit! Took that all wrong. Sharp left, good. You know what gear I'm fucking in here, boys. Better, yeah. Ah, my back. That was a bad one on the back. Bit of a left turn, yeah. Got a bit of a jump here. can't tell you where he wanted to go. A lot of fucking tunnels here and there. Fucking nearly had it, boys. She came round like a good one then. Come round like a proper good one. Fucking hell, my back jarring it. Fucking nightmare. Fuck it, eh? No pain, no gain. Little deep puddle. Nice jump there. Oh. Gotta figure out this track, figure out a good line through here. Don't know where the fuck I'm going. She is fucking deep. That's a deep old puddle. Trying that was a good little fun bit through all that shit. I gotta say guys, fucking this trail is awesome man. Really enjoying it. Really, really good. See what Dan thinks, Dan is flying through it as well, so good man. Got a bit of hand pump bro, yeah? I had it on the fucking first lap round. But man, it's alright, isn't it? A good bit of fun, man.
Yeah.
Enjoying it.
It's fucking hard on the arms though, man.
Yeah. Well, as the day goes along, don't tense up so much, innit? You should be a better, innit? It's because you don't know what's coming, do you?
Nah.
All of a sudden, oh fuck, big fucking hole in the floor. Okay, nice few little jumps here as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I gotta take some more painkillers. And hopefully I won't get that fucking pain now and again. But yeah, sandwich time when we get back, I think, bro.
Yeah.
And seen there's a nice bit in the forest dropping down, do you see that?
Nah, it's too busy fucking
Concentrating on where you're going on.
where I'm going.
And there's a nice little uphill there. So we're like still on the top of the track, yeah, I think, by the looks of it. It's a good uphill climb there. More pedals. Way! We love them. So yeah, we head back down now to the car park, and that's the easy loop. Just quite fun, really, to be fair. Oh, what? Wrong line. Couple of laps of that, figure out the line, then we can try and get a quick run through.